Lining the southernmost peninsula of Eysturoy is the charming municipality of Nes. Nes municipality is home to approximately 1,270 people, encompassing the villages of Nes, Toftir and Saltnes. Saltnes, which dates from 1837, is home to around 150 people, while further to the south, Toftir, which hails from the Viking era and has over 800 residents. A bit further down the peninsula is Nes, also an ancient Viking village dating back to 1541, when the Norwegian priest Hoine Havreche settled there. Havreche later became father of Faroese national hero Magnus Hoinason, who sailed the Atlantic as a merchant and privateer. Nes municipality is a hub of commercial activity, especially in the fishing industry, where coastal fisheries and longliners provided a plethora of good jobs to those in the municipality and beyond. Today, the principal fish landing and auction center for Faroese fishing fleet is located in Toftir, where the facility is a major source of job creation. The Faroese Workers' Association plays a major role in the center as it has the largest portion of ownership. For years, the auction center has played a major role in the national economy, helping to determine the relative price for fish in the country. Another major player in the region's economy is the Fish Tub Center, which manages and distributes large tubs used to transport fish throughout the country. Fostering an environment to promote settlement in the municipality is important for the long-term growth and prosperity of the region. For this reason, Nes municipality is constantly exploring options to expand the areas designated for housing development. With an undersea tunnel to the south to match the one to the north, the municipality will be linked to the capital, Tórshavn. With only a 15-minute commute to the capital region, demand for housing in the Nes municipality is projected to increase dramatically. Religion also plays a significant role in shaping the culture of the municipality. Widely recognized is the stunning Lutheran church Fröðriks. With housing development comes the need for excellent childcare. The municipality currently offers a variety of quality daycare, including after-school care for first and second graders. Caring for the elderly is important as well, and in 2004, Vestursyn opened its doors. A modern facility operated by the municipality, it has room for 16 residents. The Eysturoy Senior Center in Runavik is also partly owned by Nes municipality. The area offers an array of activities to fill your spare time. Perhaps the local historical association or a competitive sport is of interest. In fact, the football club B68 is the favored team. But locals are also involved in the swim club Flot, the volleyball club Tednan, the table tennis club Nikur, and the Toftir chess team. The local boating association hosts an annual boating festival held every May. Nes municipality invites you to explore all it has to offer. For more information, please visit nes.fo. Nes municipality, keeping an eye on the future.
Yeah.